Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw D for dog and duck. I start with the letter D. And let's draw a duck right here. Its eyes and the shape of its head and beak. I'm drawing its wing and also tail and body.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
And I'm drawing water wave line. Let's draw a dog. I start with eyes,
W, X, Y, and Z. Now
nose and mouth,
ABCs.
a shape of its head.
You sing with me.
I'm drawing its ears,
A, B, C, D,
its legs and body,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
and tail. Great job! Now I use this marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible.
Now I know my ABCs.
Let's paint.
Won't you sing with me?
I use red color for letter D. I love drawing and painting so much. Let's paint a dog. Light blue for head,
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
purple for its ears.
W, X, Y, and
Lovely.
now I know my ABCs.
Red.
Next time won't you sing with me?
Brown. Dog begins with letter D.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Blue.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Let's paint a duck.
R, S, T,
Pink.
U, V, W,
It's going to be so beautiful after the painting.
now I know
Orange.
my ABCs.
Duck begins with letter D.
Sing with me.
Yellow. Amazing. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Green. It looks so amazing. See you on the next video.